Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
Do you watch TV every day? Yes, I watch TV in the evening. It helps me relax. What is your favorite TV show? My favorite show is a comedy show. It makes me laugh. Do you watch news on TV? Yes, I watch news to stay updated. It is important. Do you watch TV with your family? Yes, we watch together at night. It is family time. How many hours do you watch TV? I watch TV for 1 or 2 hours. I avoid watching too much. Do you like cartoon shows? Yes, I love cartoons. They are fun and colorful. What channel do you watch the most? I watch movie channels the most. Movies entertain me. Do you watch sports on TV? Yes, I enjoy cricket matches. They are exciting. Do you watch TV series? Yes, I watch short series. They keep me engaged. Do you prefer TV or mobile? I prefer mobile because it is easier to use anywhere.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.